bet you want to wrap me all up and take me home with you.
Good morning, guys. Happy day one of Vlogmas. I am just getting up. I took my dog out to the bathroom, brushed my teeth, washed my face, fed him, and now I'm just gonna do a little bit of skincare because I am so tired. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But we are starting Vlogmas day one. I decided last minute to do Vlogmas. I really wish I would have thought about this beforehand so that I can some more videos pre-recorded, but here we are. It's actually November 29th. I have 2 days before Vlogmas starts, and I'm gonna try and get a couple of videos filmed so that I can at least have something batched. But next week I'm actually off of work, be able to batch a bunch of content. For me, the way that Vlogmas is gonna work, I'm really gonna try and do all 25 days. I have 31 days planned out, at least try to get 25 days in. There will be vlogs and there will be content videos. I don't do enough, I don't leave my house enough to film 25 vlogs. Like, you guys will get very bored of watching me do the same thing every single day. So there are some content videos in between, some vlogs in between, but we're gonna have a video every day for the next 25 days. But today I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make my YouTube intro for Vlogmas. I make all of my intros, I make all of my graphics, anything that I use is like imagery thing. I do everything myself. I'm not a pro by any means, not a pro by any means, but I think I can show you the easiest way to get this done. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my intro for Vlogmas this year. The last couple times that I did Vlogmas, I made an intro. I think I used CapCut one year. I think I used Canva last year. I don't know what I'm gonna use this year. I'm gonna take a little bit of time this morning to try to figure out what style I wanna go with. And then I will hop back on the camera and show you guys how I do it. Nonetheless, I'm excited to do Vlogmas. Since I've been posting shorts, I've been getting more views than normal, and I am almost to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm hoping that by doing Vlogmas, I will finally hit the 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. As a goal, about 400 subscribers, like 380, I think I need. So it's a high goal. That would be the most subscribers I've ever gotten a month. But with me posting every single day, we're hoping that that happens. So if you are watching this and you've made it this far, thank you. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified for every video this Vlogmas and every video after. I'm excited to see what happens, and I'm also excited about this because it's going to force me to get out and do a couple of stuff this month. Like, Friday was the first time I ever went out to a bar by myself, and it was actually pretty cool. I did have like a lot of anxiety, but I made it through. And so I'm gonna try and do a couple other things this month by myself and see how that goes. Like, I think I'm gonna go see the lights on Saturday. One of the cities nearby is lighting up their square. I miss the lighting of downtown Cleveland. That's where I live, is downtown. The night that I actually went out by myself, I did walk the lights because that was the night that they lit everything up. So I did get to see them. I just didn't go for the lighting ceremony, which was actually probably a good thing because somebody got pew-pewed there. So yeah, I hope they're okay. Actually, I think 2 people did. So hopefully nothing like that happens when I go to the next city to see their lights. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that on Saturday and vlog that for you guys. And what else? Oh, I said I was gonna either do the zoo lights one night or drive through. I know there's a couple like communities that do the big light shows in the area, so I was thinking maybe I'll drive through one of there one night to vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do some different things this month to get some content. And yeah, but like I said, my YouTube intro today for Vlogmas. I'm gonna go ahead and try and figure out the type of style that I'm gonna do, and then I will hop back on and show you guys the process. Okay, so we are jumping into it. What I did first is I went through, I collected like my photos and stuff that I plan to use for the intro, And then I got on Canva. Also went through like TikTok, CapCut for ideas or templates, and I didn't really see anything that I liked. I saw pieces of things that I liked, so we're kind of going to combine that together. Now I'm on Canva, and I just put in YouTube vlogs, Vlogmas, YouTube intros, and I found one that I kind of liked. I didn't really like, I'll show you what it looks like originally. And I really, like I said, I love the background and the snow falling. So we're gonna go back to mine that I've already started. I've removed the font, and we're just gonna go ahead and start adding in views. We're gonna start with a photo of me. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that background. So I don't know if I want side and figure out how I want this to come into the video. Now we're gonna add a title. So I'm gonna click around, find some fonts that I like, and I'll check back in with you guys. So this is what I have so far. I made a blank page with just the snow because I'm gonna do the snowball effect, and then it's gonna open up to this image, which I'm not sure how I feel about the placement of the font right now. But this is what we have. Very simple, very basic. I like it. And then this is going to be my social media stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and input that. First things I need is a phone on the page that I want. And then I'm going to insert my videos that I filmed of my media pages. I'm going to take this and put it in there. Going to be this long because I am going to clip it so that it shows my TikTok as well. But I just wanted to show you guys how you can input an image of your Instagram like on the phone. It's very easy. Do right through Canva. We're going to go ahead and do the other side. On my phone because my iPad was lagging and I don't know how I managed. I do because I just don't be paying attention. I dropped my iPad and my dog literally chewed up the top of my eye pencil. So he is currently on punishment in his bed. Okay? Because he knows better than to eat stuff off the floor. Anyways, I switched to my cell phone because my pad was freezing. This is what we have. Again, I'm going to do that snowflake effect. And then this is the first page. And then this is page 1 for the social media. I think I'm going to shorten that clip. And then this is the page for the TikTok. Again, I think I'm going to shorten that clip. And then this is what I have for the end. Now I'm going to save this and go into CapCut. I'm going to go ahead and download that. Really do some things, okay? Canva for setting the base, getting some of the animations, adding the backgrounds, adding the photos and removing the back. I like Canva to set the base of the work, and then CapCut is where we can really get into some things. So I know that this I'm going to cut. So I have the snowball effect. I think it's really cute. We're gonna go ahead and add that into the beginning. And then so we're gonna go into CapCut. We're gonna overlay that because I want that to be the bottom. And then we're gonna go ahead in and remove the green screen. Back out to cutout, chroma key, color picker, we'll pick the green, do the intensity, and swipe it, and it'll get rid of it altogether. So what I want to happen, this clears away, this to automatically go right to this page. I don't even want it to be the swoop. I just want it to be as soon as it hits. So we gotta get that a little better. See? That's how I want it to be. And then, like I said, I think I'm gonna cut that. This was too long. Just enough for you to see the page. I can actually cut that a little bit more. Now that I have that, I'm gonna go back into Canva because a few weeks ago I made some subscribe buttons, and we're just gonna update the color on them. This is gonna take me a little while to do this, maybe not. So each item has a color. I think we're just gonna start with green, because the way that this was made was so that like each thing green will show it changing. Someone hit the subscribe button. You know how the subscribe button changes color. I'm gonna head back over to CapCut and we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna add it, we're gonna overlay it, go into cutout, chroma key, pick the green, intensity, raise it up, and that is gonna get rid of the background. I'm like, why is this like that? Green, because of the green screen, which it doesn't look bad. I don't know. And maybe just do like a regular subscribe button. I know Canva has a nice, like a flipping subscribe button. Maybe I'll do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and search around for a subscribe button and I'll be back. So we are all finished. I went ahead and found the green screen for the subscribe button and I added some music. I got this song from SoundCloud a few years ago. This is what we have. So very simple, very easy. It did take me a little bit of time just because I really needed to figure out like what type of vibe I was going for, but the that I used was pretty much pre-template out for me. I just added what I needed to do. So of course this could be 1,000 times better. Things could go into it, but for me this works and it's very simple. I feel like to the point. It's so fun and Christmassy. So yeah, I like it. I think for what we're doing, it's perfect. It works great. I like it. I don't think I'm gonna vlog anything else today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this gave you some tips and tricks so you can create your intro for Vlogmas. And make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, and come back for day 2 tomorrow of Vlogmas.